ACCO Engineered Systems has designed, installed, and maintained award-winning mechanical systems for owners and builders since 1934. From stadiums to airports, ACCO's in-house engineering, fabrication, and service teams deliver expertly crafted mechanical projects to some of the largest brands across the globe. Today, ACCO has grown into the largest independent mechanical contractor in the country, with its campuses in Commerce, California serving as the manufacturing base for its Southern California operations. Situated on 14 acres near several major freeways and surface streets, ACCO's Commerce campuses feature ultra-modern sheet metal, piping, and plumbing shops. The shop's on-site engineering and manufacturing capabilities let ACCO enforce its own strict quality control standards, as well as prefabricate solutions that save time in the field. Currently, ACCO produces more sheet metal than any mechanical contractor in the U.S., with its over 50,000 square foot Commerce sheet metal shop capable of running at 12.5 million pounds capacity. To help customers save on field labor costs, this shop can provide just-in-time deliveries, where duct is pre-assembled into multiple joint sections, wrapped and delivered to the job site, ready to hang. Next door is the piping shop, which supports ACCO's production of over 120,000 diameter inches of welded pipe every year. The pipe fabrication shop incorporates pipe cutting automation, pipe grooving machines, fit-up, and welding positioner station. Close by is the plumbing shop, where just like the other facilities, solutions can be modeled, detailed, fabricated, and delivered to the point of installation. The shop is also utilized for copper prefab needs. This space features composite copper hanger fabrication areas for both HVAC and plumbing. The copper fabrication area includes an automated saw that will optimize and cut copper pipe from downloaded CAD files. Given ACCO's specialties in HVAC, refrigeration, plumbing, building automation, industrial construction, and service, these shops contribute a variety of material to projects across a wide range of industries. With hundreds of thousands of projects completed since the company's inception, ACCO has the diverse experience and flexible approach to help you meet any mechanical system objective and any schedule.